All right, hello, hello. I want to quickly go over how to share a link in your Instagram stories. So hopefully I can get this to work from my phone. This is the first time I'm trying this. Oh my goodness. All right, I want to be able, where is my share? Oh, here we go. All right, so I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so sharing my screen. So I am going to go into my Modere Global app. This is my shopping app. Okay. So I've already been in here once. This is what the app looks like. And say I want to share some collagen. I want to share the immune collagen. That is our new collagen that helps with your immune system on top of hair, skin, nails, joints. And I'm going to scroll down to what I want. Okay, so, ooh, there's one with the beaker. There's a 2-count. Ooh, I want to share the one with the 2-count and the beaker. Okay, so I click on that. I'm going to click share, and then it will say copy. So I'm going to copy that link. All right. And then you're going to open up Instagram. So we're going to put a story in there. We're just going to, I'll just do this where it shows me. And then you're going to click this, the little sticker on the very top right next to the, so it's the third one over, the one that looks like a little sticker that's coming up a little bit. And you see it has link as an option. So you're going to click link. You're going to click your link in there. And then I like to put something where people know what I'm talking about. So immune, like boost, you can't say boost your immune. Let's see. Immune love, or you can do, you can name it kind of whatever. You have quite a few characters, right? And see, that's what will show up there. So when you share that to your stories, people can click right there, and it's going to take them right back to this so that they can buy it. And then when they add it to their cart, they'll get the discount at checkout, and there you have it. So hope that helps.